Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Fenwick Island, Delaware to Chincoteague, Virginia, at 20 nautical miles until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm capable of producing strong winds 34 knots or greater over Fenwick Island Shoal, moving east at 15 knots. This strong thunderstorm will be near 10 nautical miles southeast Fenwick Island around 1:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Mariners can expect strong winds 34 knots or greater, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. The following